Hello everyone, this is my analog electronics vinyl project. So this is the oscillator I built. It can change from square wave to triangle wave, either from two sides. And this is the keyboard I used to build. So all the potentiometers can tune to the correct pitches. And these buttons are based on the piano, like the white keys and black keys. I built for 2 octaves. So I'll play a song, use this for you.